Charlie, Quebec. Anybody else anywhere? Delta Kilo Zero.
You heard us call Victor Echo 6, Charlie, Quebec. Man, I've been in a severe funk lately for good reason. And I've been having a hard time laughing until just now.
Charlie, Quebec. My name is Rick. Romeo, India, Charlie, Kilowatt.
Now, Rick here, he sounds like a good old fart. And he's probably been a ham for 60 or 70 years. He just proclaimed, he just said, and I quote verbatim. No, let me paraphrase. He said, someday, decades and decades from now, when they talk about communications technology, they'll be talking about the ICOM IC7300 and the beautiful music it made on HF. Really? I'll bet my Yaesu FTDX 3000 sounds better than your 7300 with my 4K TX bandwidth enabled and my parametric equalization optimized for my deep ass voice. Oh my God. You know what? It is what it is. It's a grin, and it made me laugh. 73. You know what, man? I've had two problems going on lately. One is a severe funk because I want my license renewed. For God's sake, either renew it or deny me, man. Don't jack me. And the other thing is that there's something missing. There's something missing from that machine. And I'll take you out in the garage and show you. Blitzy. Hey, Blitzy. You want to go outside? You want to go out in the garage? Hang on, man. Okay, check it out, man. I turned my flash on because the lighting in the garage is terrible. Hey, do you notice an addition? Check it out, man. I was truly blessed by the God of Blades. The God of Blades blessed me, man. Because guys will drive states away to buy a four-way hydraulic John Deere blade. Man, look at this. Look at the condition. The lift cylinder, the tilt left and right cylinder. And man, it's not in too bad shape, man. Besides the paint scratches and such, where you want to look at is the corners down here. See how rounded off they are. That's an indicator of how much use it's got on it. And that scraping bar is replaceable. So anyway, man, I've got the grill off. I'm not going to start it up and bore you with all that in this video. That comes next. But that's what I've been doing, man. This is outrageous. That is a mean green plowing machine. Look at my snow tires. Ha ha. Yeah, I bought a pair of they're ATV tires. They're made for snow and mud. The agriculture tires that you see with the alternating bars, those are most excellent in mud, but miserable in snow. And even worse are the agricultural tires that have just, you know what I mean? I don't know how to describe it. So yeah, the mean green plowing machine. Without my, what I did was I took the arms off on the 3-point hitch because they just pop off with clips. No tools needed. And that way They're not sticking out the back 2.5 feet. But before winter comes, I'll pop them back on so I can put my 90-pound cement block there. And but before winter comes, now my red Troy-built pony tractor mower, ride-on mower. That's all he's ever gonna do from now on, man. He mows the grass. My John Deere, though, I'll put the mower deck back on for fall, for grinding leaves of my neighbors and pine needles. Some people think, oh, if I had pine trees instead of deciduous trees, well, if I had pine trees, I'd never have to rake leaves. Yeah? You have no idea how many pine needles fall every fall from my neighbor's antenna towers. And so I gladly grind them up for her as payment. But she's a good lady. She's a nice person, and I enjoy helping her, and I enjoy grinding pine needles and leaves. The smell of grinding leaves with your mower in the fall is beyond belief, man. I'm ready. Bring on the snow. Let it snow and snow and snow and snow some more. Bitsy, want to go inside? 73.